guys, I am back. Today I want to do unboxing, guys. I want to do unboxing of my new iPhone. My new iPhone 15, guys. And then this is a pre-one. Pre-one. Tinanggal ko na, guys, yung yung seal. Kasi binuksan na ito doon sa shop just to check if no crack at all. So guys, this is my new iPhone. Just want to show, guys. My new iPhone color. This is the new color of my new iPhone. iPhone 15. As you can see, guys, the new iPhone 15 is the logo is same, the body color. Unlike before, guys, the Apple logo is silver, because this is my fourth iPhone, guys. So the body color is same with the silver. And some more about the very simple only booklet. Saka dito siya yung pin. Yung pin niya, guys. Saka ito yung USB niya. The new USB of iPhone nowadays is USB-C. So this is very easy nowadays. You can bring anywhere, can use not even iPhone adapter, even your adapter. Because if you are a new user of the iPhone, you have to use your adapter of iPhone. Because this is my fourth iPhone, I don't need the adapter lang. But anyway, this is the C type now. Anywhere you can use not even iPhone adapter lah, can. And then this is the new design of the iPhone today. You can see, guys. Para siyang may design siya. As usual, guys, if you buy a new iPhone nowadays, no such thing, the adapter or the AirPods. But if you are a new user, you will buy your own. Ganyan ang iPhone, guys, hindi kasali. Because I have already my previous iPhone, so I don't need that one. And then this iPhone, guys, is about 6.1 screen size, and then 48 MP main camera, and then 6 GB RAM, and then 3,349 mAh battery. Sabihin, long lasting battery na. And then 256 GB storage. You can store a lot of video and picture. And then this is an iOS 17. Okay, guys, let's open the screen. And then, as usual,